What's up guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV. Today we're in the pass-through of our Model G. Going to show you just how cool our Rockford Fosgate sound system truly is. This system is really engineered to outperform any other towable RV on the market. It's got 12 speakers that are full range, 2 subwoofers, 1 being marine grade, 2 amplifiers, and 3 4-zone head control units. It's pretty robust if you ask me. And it all starts here with the Brinkley difference. We've got our storage locker here. This is going to be where your amplifiers are housed, but also this is just a nice setup. It keeps your interior storage designated for your interior items, keeps all the cool fun stuff on the outside so it's out of the way. Also, we use a harness-based installation here that's going to allow you for easier serviceability. So here we've got one of our 3 head control units. Now let's go take a look at our other 4 listening zones. So your first listening zone is going to be your campside exterior. We've included 4 marine grade speakers that are all undermount on your chassis the entire length of your coach. We also have 1 undermount 10-inch subwoofer, so it's really going to give you that power to that sound that you want. With them being undermount, it's going to help prevent any disturbances that you might give your neighbor if you really like to jam out. So now we're in the next listening zone, which is going to be your living area. For starters, we have a head control unit conveniently located right here for your controls. We have 2 ceiling mounted recessed speakers that are going to give you good ample sound in here. And then we also have a 12-inch subwoofer located behind your recliners. Now the really cool thing about all of this paired together is that you can connect it to your TV to have the ultimate movie night experience. Moving on, in our garage listening zone, we've got an additional head unit here for controls, and then we've got 2 ceiling mounted speakers as well. You can open up your 3-season patio doors where you can access your 4th listening zone, and that's going to be where we've got 4 exterior speakers for you.